Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a problem from the chapter Electric Field and Potential taken from the book H.C. Verma. So the problem says that two charged particles of charge this and this are placed at a separation of 10 centimeters. Where should a third charge be placed such that it experiences no net force due to these charges? So I have drawn the diagram for you. If we were to take a negative charge in between the two positive charges, the force on this particle due to A is in this direction, force on particle C due to A, and the force on the particle C due to the particle A is in this direction. We have a separation of x between the BC charges and 10 minus x between the AC. Because the total separation is 10 centimeters, that's why we can write 10 minus x centimeters. So there is only one formula that we require for solving this question, that is the Coulomb's law, K Q1 Q2 upon R square. This formula actually gives us the force between two particles, let it be A and B. So if we were to write the force due to C and B, that is K Q into 10 to the power minus 6 upon x square, and force on C due to A is equals to K Q into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 10 minus x whole square. So K is common here, so we cut that. Q is also common, 10 to the power minus 6. We are left with 1 upon x square is equals to 2 upon 10 minus x whole square. If we were to cross multiply this, we get 2x square is equals to 10 minus x whole square. Now taking root both the sides, we get plus root 2x is equals to 10 minus x and minus root 2x is equals to 10 minus x. Since the distance can never be negative, so we eliminate this choice and we are left with root 2 plus 1 x is equals to 10. So we get x is equals to 10 upon root 2 plus 1. So this is 10 upon 1.414 plus 1. This is equal to 4.14 centimeters. This is the distance from between the small particle charge and negative charge. If we were to find the distance between the larger particle and the smaller particle, then we can subtract 10 from 1.414. This approximately gives us 5.9 centimeter from the larger charge particle. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you.